So what you'll find here at Santa Fe that everybody here wants you to be successful.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna love it. Santa Fe is wonderful. The financial aid department is so helpful. The advisors are always here for you. I absolutely love it.
Santa Fe is a really great value. However, college can be expensive. How will you pay for it? You'll have tuition fees, books, and other materials to pay for at the beginning of the semester. So the time to start thinking about paying for those is now. In this module, you will learn what you can do now to help pay for college, how to check your financial aid status and fee payment deadlines, the first steps to file for financial aid, and how academic progress impacts financial aid eligibility.
How am I going to pay for college? Right now, you may have lots of college-related questions about your program of study, about what your college classes will be like, even about where you can park. But right now, you should also be taking steps to make sure that you can pay for college. You need to make sure not only that you'll have the money to cover college costs, but that you'll have the money when you need it. In fact, if you can't pay tuition fees you owe by posted deadlines, you run the risk of being dropped from your classes. The time to pay for classes and financial aid deadlines change from year to year and semester to semester. You can find your deadline to pay for classes in eSanta Fe under the My Classes tab, then go to My Schedule, and you will see your fee due date at the bottom. If you're applying for financial aid, make sure you submit your documents by the priority dates posted on the financial aid website to make sure that your aid is processed in time to pay for tuition and books. Check the financial aid website for critical dates for application and disbursement of funds. And keep in mind that there are costs associated with your courses that aren't included in the tuition fees. You may want to visit the college bookstore to get an idea of additional costs associated with your courses for things like books and supplies. Depending on the courses you take, these costs can vary widely from semester to semester. Making sure that you follow through now by doing the things that will make college more affordable, things like applying for residency or financial aid, can help you budget appropriately and get started with classes without worrying about finances. Did you know that students who are full-time permanent residents of Florida qualify for a significant reduction in the fees assessed for their courses? But to get that reduced fee, you need to apply for Florida residency for tuition purposes and provide supporting documentation of your residency status. Sure, you can take classes at an out-of-state rate, but you'll owe a lot more in tuition and fees. If you don't complete your application prior to the start of classes, you will have to pay for classes at the out-of-state rate. Not everyone can qualify for the lower Florida residency tuition rate, but there are other things you can do to help you cover college expenses. Have you filled out the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA? Completing this application at www.fafsa.ed.gov is the first step in applying for financial assistance. You should complete it as soon as possible to determine what financial aid may be available to you. Make sure that after you complete the financial aid application, you monitor eSanta Fe for financial aid updates and submit all documents requested by the college. You may be asked to provide more documents after you originally apply, so it's important to check your financial status frequently. Keep in mind that you must submit a FAFSA every year in the spring before the upcoming academic year to see whether you qualify for aid. You can submit the application as early as January. Aid eligibility is based on your specific situation, as reported on your financial aid application, as well as how many credit hours you are taking and whether you maintain standard of academic progress requirements. These requirements include maintaining a certain GPA, completing a percentage of enrolled courses, and completing your program within a certain time frame. It's important to know withdrawing from a class can have an impact on your aid and what you owe, so make sure you talk to a financial aid specialist before withdrawing. Aid amounts vary from student to student, and even from year to year for some students, and there are limits to certain aid, such as Pell Grants and subsidized loans. And did you know that not all financial aid funds are the same? Some financial aid, such as scholarships and grants, does not have to be paid back. Loans, however, do have to be paid back. You should borrow only what you absolutely need, with the understanding that you will have to make payments shortly after leaving school.
So, as you can tell, there's a lot to do in order to get your funds ready for college. Apply now for financial aid and make sure you have your documents in line. Remember to check your eSanta Fe often. Your awards will be posted there when they're ready, and if we need any documentation or if there's any problems with your eligibility, you'll receive a notification and it'll be posted there as well. So come on by Santa Fe's Financial Aid Office in R122 if you need any assistance. You can also check out additional resources like Financial Aid TV by clicking Next.